Can we talk about how shiny my hair looks? I used a new product for the first time today. Color Wow's latest launch, Texas Hold'em. You guys, this is a strong hold hairspray. I usually opt out of using hairsprays because I hate that sticky, dry, crunchy feeling. Look at this. I run my fingers through it like I have no product in my hair. I did my curls at 6 a.m. It is now 5:30 p.m. and I can't get over the hold. And I love the fact that this has 50% less alcohol compared to any other hairsprays out there. And it has heat protectant, which makes me feel so much better about using a product that's not gonna damage my hair. And I just can't get over my curls. My curls never last this long. It's been all day, and I'm so happy that I can run my fingers through because I don't like that dry, crunchy feeling. I'm standing just in front of a big window, so this is just natural lighting. So this is like the truest lighting. I have no artificial lighting in front of me to give me any extra shine, and I'm just so impressed that I wanted to share with you guys. If you're looking for a new hairspray, I'm telling you, Texas Hold'em is that girl.